Hello everyone, welcome back to stock market updates for 6th of January 2026. The Indian stock markets ended the day on a mixed note. The Nifty 50 index down by 71.60 points to close at 26,178.70. The BSE Sensex down by 376.28 points to close at 85,063.34. And the Nifty Bank advanced by 74.20 points to close at 60,118.40. Among the Nifty sectoral indices, oil and gas, media, realty and private bank ended as the major losers, while the remaining sectors closed the session in the green. The top gainers on the Nifty 50 index: Apollo Hospitals, ICICI Bank, Tata Consumer, HDFC Life and Bajaj Auto. The top losers on the Nifty 50 index: Trent, Reliance, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Indigo and ITC. On the NSE today, a total of 3,237 stocks were actively traded. Among these, 1,238 stocks advanced in value, reflecting positive movement, while 1,889 stocks declined, indicating downward pressure. 110 stocks unchanged by the close of the session. Domestic institutional investors were net buyers, investing about 1,528.50 crore in NSE. Foreign institutional investors were net buyers with total net inflow of 142.82 crore in NSE. Let us take a look at market news. Reserve Bank of India has issued amended directions on lending to related parties, tightening governance norms for banks, NBFCs, cooperative banks and AIFs. The revised rules, effective from 1st April of 2026, exclude equity investments in related parties from their scope, while debt investments remain covered. Trent Limited shares fell up to 8% on Tuesday after its quarterly 3 update showed 17% year-on-year revenue growth to 5,220 crore, in line with quarterly 2 but slower than earlier quarters. During the quarter, the company added 17 Westside and 48 Judio stores, while Westside added 30 net stores in 9 months of financial year 26, above its historical average. Swiggy and Eternal shares declined on Tuesday, with Swiggy down nearly 4% for the third straight session and Eternal falling about 2% for a second day. Swiggy stock has slipped below its QIP price of Rs 375 and IPO price of Rs 390. Tata Motors passenger vehicles said Jaguar Land Rover reported a sharp drop in quarterly 3 volumes, with wholesale down 43.3% year-on-year and retail sales falling 25.1%, hit by production disruption from a major UK cyber attack. Volumes were further weighed by shipping delays, the wind down of legacy Jaguar models, and higher US tariffs impacting exports. Bajaj Auto shares 3% to a 52-week high of 9,783.50 after December sales grew 14% year-on-year to 3.70 lakh units, broadly in line with expectations. Exports jumped 25% to 2 lakh units, driving growth, while domestic sales rose 4%. Donald Trump said the US will receive over $600 billion in tariffs, claiming the levies have made the country financially and militarily stronger. In a post on Truth Social, Trump criticized the media and said tariffs have boosted national security and global standing. This concludes today's market updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more market updates. See you in the next market update.